In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change phone number on the Barclays app. If you've recently switched numbers, keeping your banking details up to date ensures you don't miss important security alerts or verification messages. This process is quick and we'll walk through it together from start to finish. Begin by opening the Barclays app and logging in. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and use your usual login method, whether that's your passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID. If the app prompts you to confirm your identity, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen guidance provided by the bank. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for your profile section. It may appear as your name, your initials in a small circle, or a person icon, typically near the top right. Tap that to open your profile. Inside your profile, scroll until you find the phone number currently associated with your account. This is usually listed under contact details or personal information. Seeing the existing number here is a good way to double-check what the bank has on file. Tap on your current phone number to open the editing view. This is where you'll make the change. The app will show an option to update it to your new phone number. Carefully enter your new number. Take a moment to confirm the country code and each digit. Typos can prevent you from receiving important messages. If the app asks you to confirm the number a second time, enter it again exactly the same way. When you're confident it's correct, confirm the changes by selecting Save, Confirm, or the equivalent button shown on your screen. That's all it takes. Your phone number on your Barclays account is now updated. In many cases, you'll see a success message or receive a confirmation within the app. If the update doesn't appear right away, try closing and reopening the app to refresh your details. Keeping your number current helps with login notifications, payment approvals, and security alerts, so it's worth reviewing this information anytime you change devices or carriers. If you run into any issues locating the profile section or the phone number field, check that your app is updated to the latest version and refer to the bank's in-app help for guidance. Thanks for watching and great job keeping your account information up to date. See you in the next tutorial.